Let's be real for a second. If you're in the pharma industry and you want to know what's coming next, you absolutely have to look at conference evidence. It is, without a doubt, one of the most critical sources of emerging scientific info out there. Today, this explainer is going to dive into a brand new resource designed to help you completely master this fast-paced and honestly pretty complex space.
But, well, here's the reality a lot of us actually face. Are you losing valuable hours just struggling to search these conference platforms effectively? It's a huge professional pain point, right? The data you need is definitely out there, but trying to find it efficiently across clunky, constantly changing platforms, man, it can be incredibly frustrating and just a massive time drain.
The core problem is that a lot of professionals are essentially flying blind. We're talking about the everyday grind of trying to find relevant abstracts, trying to build search strategies that actually work, and then identifying that crucial health economics and outcomes research, or HEOR, evidence. Add in the need to reliably monitor rapid scientific developments, and it's a lot. This is an absolutely necessary skill for everyone from HEOR to pharma competitive intelligence. But let's face it, most of us just don't have the proper tools to execute it efficiently.
So to tackle this massive industry-wide gap head-on, HEOR Insights has just launched the Conference Intelligence Masterclass. This isn't just another generic course, it's an educational program built straight from the ground up, specifically for HEOR and pharma competitive intelligence professionals. It is literally a targeted, hands-on answer to this exact problem we've been talking about.
And what's really great is that instead of just padding out a curriculum with a massive generic list of conferences to make it look big, this course has been rigorously refined based on actual professional feedback. It is super focused and practical. The whole goal here is to prioritize real-world workflows that make you completely job-ready on day one. No fluff, just the exact skills you need.
The progression to get you there is really intentional. The curriculum follows a super clear three-part roadmap. You start with the basic principles and foundations of searching, then you move into advanced search strategy, and finally, it all culminates in hands-on live conference demonstrations. It's a really natural flow. Building that core understanding starts right in Module 1. In a highly focused 16 minutes, this foundation directly contrasts the slower pace of traditional journal literature with the rapid-fire, real-time nature of conference evidence. It maps out exactly why conference searching matters so much right now, and dives into specific use cases for both HEOR and pharma competitive intelligence.
Okay, so once that foundation is set, you need the actual mechanics, right? That's where Module 2 comes in. It's another packed 16-minute session that gives you the exact strategic tools you need to build super efficient queries. We're talking about mastering keyword identification, really nailing down Boolean operators, synonym searching, and understanding the vital differences between searching by drug names versus mechanism-based searching. You'll literally learn how to build foolproof search filters and logic from scratch.
Now this brings us to what might just be the most exciting and practical part of the whole thing. Module 3 steps completely out of the theory and into actual practice. You get live, guided demonstrations across 5 major industry conference platforms. We're talking about targeted, deep dives into ISPOR, ASCO, ESMO, AACR, and EULAR. It's like looking right over the shoulder of an expert.
And during these live demos, you won't just be watching someone randomly click around. No way. You are going to observe exact, repeatable workflows. You'll learn how to navigate these very specific platforms, build your search queries live, apply those Boolean operators in real time, execute efficient abstract review workflows, and use proven techniques to instantly spot key evidence. It totally proves the immediate practical value of everything you've just learned.
Beyond the core modules themselves, this masterclass hooks you up with some incredible bonus resources. You get the Conference Search Tracker Toolkit, which comes with a log, a master tracker, and its own 8-minute video tutorial. Plus, you get a curated conference master list that's neatly organized by therapeutic area, and a certificate of completion you can access via Google Drive to formally document your training. Honestly, these aren't just thrown-in extras. They are highly practical tools designed to standardize your skills and save you hours on your very next project.
So, who is this whole thing really built for? Well, if you're an HEOR professional, part of a pharma competitive intelligence team, or working in medical affairs or market access, this is designed entirely around your daily needs. But it's also equally valuable for clinical research professionals, or even students who are just starting to explore careers in these fields. Like we said, conference searching is rapidly becoming a completely non-negotiable industry skill across all of these roles.
Okay, let's talk about enrollment. The pricing structure is super simple and totally transparent.
There's an early bird price of 999 rupees, but a quick heads up, that is only available to the first 20 learners who sign up, so you'll definitely want to jump on that. Once those initial 20 spots are claimed, standard enrollment goes to a regular price of 1,499 rupees.
If this looks like the exact workflow upgrade that you or your team really needs right now, getting started is incredibly easy. You can register right this second using the link provided in the description of this explainer. Or if you need a hand, you can just reach out and connect directly with HEOR Insights for enrollment support.
To wrap things up today, I want to leave you with a quick message from the course creators. They say, "Thank you for supporting HEOR Insights. We look forward to helping you build practical conference intelligence and evidence-searching skills that can be applied immediately in real-world pharma projects." It really is all about that practical, job-ready value. So the big question is, are you ready to finally stop searching in the dark and start finding the evidence that actually matters?